The current technological change around the world, these chat GPTs, AI, computer-based stuff, internet, is an equalizer. You don't need to invest as much as you needed to do, say, 20 years ago, when you had to lay infrastructure for industry. So right now, a person sitting in any part of the country with access to either a 4G device or internet can do anything that a person sitting in America can do. All we have to do is teach them how, make them understand that they can actually do this, and then of course provide them with investment opportunities, teaching opportunities to help them do this. We have a lot of people who are sitting, Pakistani diaspora abroad, who are willing to and are helping through free mentorship, through free classes, through free teaching online. So for example, how to use chat GPT. If you teach people this, I can tell you 10 years from now, they will be millionaires because nobody knows what to do with. This is an equalizer. Everybody in the world is trying to learn how to do this. Our kids are brighter than most. If we tell them how to do this, how to start in this direction, you'll create a whole new market. How to use the AI generative systems to create imagery. This is a new field. Nobody in the world knows what to do with it. So we are at the same spot where America is. And there are some other fields also, quantum computing. It is the same for everybody in the world. Nobody knows what to do with it. So if we jump on now and take our youth with us, they can become the future of the transformation that happens in the world. So NUST and good universities like NUST can play a major role in this because we already have the knowledge ecosystem. We already have the methodology down of how to teach. If we reach out around the country, this will spread faster. I think this is where the government focus and international organizations who want to help us do this, their focus comes in, that rather than running programs by themselves or running them programs through, I'm sorry to say, vendors, these should be run by academia. The universities who have proven track records, and there are good universities in Pakistan who have good track records, they should be in the forefront of this.